Hey there, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Kronos Workforce. It's a very quick and simple step. All you can do is follow along and you'll be logged into your Kronos account. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap there, and at the very top you can see a search bar. Let's tap there and let's type in Kronos Workforce, log in and hit enter. Now here, make sure you tap into the official site. Since we're going to sign in, let's tap in here. Now here you'll be greeted with your login page. All you gotta do is type in those empty fields. You have to type in your username first. I'm typing like random words, but make sure you tap in the actual information, the actual username, and your password, of course. If you've forgotten your username or even password, if you've forgotten your username, you can simply tap in this option right here. That's in the bluish lettering, and it's side by side. So great. In the side, you can see forgot password option. In case you've forgotten your password, you can tap in that. And I'm hoping you have an account, but if you do not have an account and you want to create a new one, you can tap in that button that literally says create a new account. And yeah, since we have already typed in all the credentials, all we gotta do now is hit that login button and you'll be logged into your Kronos Workforce account. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any queries, please don't hesitate. Feel free and type in like any queries, comment in the comment section down below. We'll be more than happy to help you with that. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.